Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your rested pool and choosing where to spend it. Open your character sheet and read the rested percentage and bar. Once done, log out in an inn or capital to top it up quickly. Make sure to target zones where each kill gives meaningful progress. Aim for mobs that award about 1-3% of a level. Don't waste rested on trivial content. Plan the first 15-30 minutes of play to burn the highest rested return. Once underway, combine strategies to stretch each rested point. Alternate between quest objectives and cleared mob packs so rested XP applies to both kills and turn-ins. Use available multipliers, 2x XP items, heirlooms, or a 3-5 player group to amplify each rested bonus. It's more efficient to 2x rested gains than to grind solo without boosts. Make sure to pace pulls and avoid overkilling. In the final phase, prioritize using any remaining rested on your most XP-dense activities for the last 10-15 minutes so nothing goes to waste. Do high turn-in quests or efficient mob chains. Then log out in an inn or capital to restart accumulation immediately. If you notice rested isn't increasing, verify you logged out in a qualifying rest area, check for account or server restrictions, and confirm no temporary buffs override rested. If needed, relog or move to a known rest point to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.